Hi everyone, this is Liam from Snowy's Outdoors, and today I'm here to talk to you about the MT10 torch from Ledlenser. The MT10 is a little pocket rocket as it pumps out 1000 lumens but is yet still extremely lightweight and durable. If you purchase the MT torch from Ledlenser, included in the box is a nylon pouch that can be attached to a belt, as well as a lanyard attached to the end for added security, as well as the USB cord which you can plug directly into the back of the torch and the other end into your power source to charge. The Ledlenser MT10 torch is made of hard anodized aluminium and has a waterproof rating of IPX4, meaning that it's water resistant to light rain as well as light dust particles. The torch is 12.8 centimeters long and 3.2 centimeters in diameter and weighs 156 grams when the battery is installed. This torch is a one-handed operation and you can cycle through the 3 different light settings by touching the soft touch button, with one touch being high, medium, low, and then the last one to turn the torch off. On the torch's high setting, it will pump out 1000 lumens over a beam distance of 180 meters, and the battery will last for approximately 6 hours. To cycle through from the high to the medium, it's just one touch, and on medium the torch will pump out 200 lumens at a beam distance of 100 meters and will last for approximately 15 hours. From medium to low, it's just one further click and the torch will pump out a further 10 lumens with a beam distance of 20 meters and will last for approximately 144 hours. Similar to other MT torches, the torch has adjustable focus where you can broaden and narrow your beam. The torch also has a belt clip as well as a built-in battery meter in the button with a green light saying that batteries are fine and fully charged, with a red light telling you the batteries need to be recharged. The MT10 torch is compact but yet extremely powerful and is backed by Ledlenser's 7-year warranty upon product registration. If you'd like to check out this torch, you can come and see us in store here at Snowy's or jump online to snowys.com.au for fast free delivery to most of Australia. Thanks for viewing guys, and I hope to see you soon.